The Food Suggestions feature is an engine that searches a curated list of meals that will help you meet your remaining macronutrient targets for the day. Tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen. Tap Suggest Food, select filters to get tailored results or leave it empty, and then tap Get Suggestions. A screen will then appear that has meals to help you reach your targets. Tap the drop-down arrow on each meal to see the macro and micro breakdown by swiping left. Note that the solid colors are what you have already consumed, and the striped are what the meal will add to your targets. You can also see what ingredients are used in each meal by tapping the drop-down menu meal items. From here, you can also edit the ingredients to more accurately log what you consumed or plan to make. To edit the amount of an ingredient, tap on it to adjust serving sizes. And add or remove ingredients by tapping Add Meal Item or by tapping the X beside End Ingredient. When you are ready to add this meal to your diary, select Add to Diary below the nutrition information. The experience is similar on the desktop app. Click Food, suggest food, and follow the same process.